Good morning everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I just wanted to give you a quick update on my AC on my van. So I ordered a can of Easy Chill. This is Glacier Chill, and I knew I had a can somewhere, but it was in the shed behind some cans. I couldn't find it, so I ordered the other one off Amazon. And you can check out the link above the video for that video and the links for that if you want to buy a can of that. But this is another one I had, and this has also got stop leak in it and everything. But I just want to say that if you have a leak in your AC and you're trying to fix it, this stuff does work. It fixed it. I replaced those O seals at least 4 or 5 times, and it just kept leaking. And I just was beside myself as to what to do next. So I ordered a can of the 134a refrigerant with stop leak in it and put it in the van. And it just so happens it's the right amount. 1.5 pounds in this can, and that's exactly what the van calls for, is 1.5 pounds of refrigerant. So this is just an update to that video. I did put a link up above if you want to click on it and check it out, and there's also a link down in the description, and also in the description down below is a link if you want to purchase this off of Amazon. This is not a sponsored video. It's just I used it, it did work, and I'm relaying it to you guys because I know a lot of you do your own AC work and stuff, but it does work. So anyway, you guys have a fantastic day. This is just a short update, and I'll have another video for you soon. You guys have a fantastic day.